This video details how to restart phone without power button in 8 easy ways. Way 1. Restart phone without power button from Quick Settings. The Quick Settings tray offers menus or toggles for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, airplane mode, and more. It is quite easy to restart Android from within. Way 2. Restart Android phone without power button via the home or camera button. It's virtually the easiest way to make it by long pressing the home button, not a sensor one, or the camera button on your Android device to wake up the restart settings. Way 3. Turn off or on phone without power button via third-party app. The shutdown is among the most reliable third-party apps to restart an Android phone with no power button after giving permission to it. Way 4. Turn off or on Android phone without power button by connecting it to power source. Most Android phones or tablets can boot up with this approach, if you ensure it has enough power to turn on. Way 5. Restart phone without power button on Android via recovery mode. To use Android recovery mode without a power button to reboot your phone, you have to first get it into the mode. There are specific key combinations available for different devices to trigger the recovery menu. Way 6. Reboot Android phone without power button using ADB. It may be a bit complicated to restart your phone via ADB since it is an advanced solution. To start with, you have to enable the developer options on your phone and turn on USB debugging. Way 7. Restart phone without power button using scheduled power on/off. This functionality makes it easy for you to reboot your phone automatically at a specific point in time and power off in a similar fashion. Hopefully, the device will restart as you expected. Way 8. Restart phone without power button via Assistive Touch iPhone. With the ability to perform tasks with alternative simplified movements, Assistive Touch is designed for Apple users who have difficulty pressing hard buttons or swiping in a specific way.